which includes Yash, Sachin, and Ziad. You may proceed further.
So our today's topic is for PPT presentation is capital of countries and Indian states. So as we all know that there are many countries in the world. So let's have a look on some countries. So for further, I would like to invite my friend Sachin to continue.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sachin Yadav, and thank you, Ziad, for introducing the topic. And I would like to continue that our first slide shows that both our first slides we had tried to keep the both best friends to introduce uh, at a time. Us, let us have look of first country, that is United States of America, with capital city Washington DC. As we all know that United States of America is one of the most powerful country in the world. United States of America has the one of the best infrastructure in the world. It is the more it is the most powerful country also. Now let's talk about its best friend China, with whose capital whose capital is Beijing. As we know about China's habits and relationships about with other countries, but China is the one of the most developed country, and it also take part in the major portion of im- import and export. China has the biggest population in the world. China having a best culture and one of the good culture in it. Now I would like to introduce my second slide, which has India and France. I would like to start with India. As we all know about our country, India, there are lots to speak on India. India has its capital city, that is New Delhi. India has many culture and many states in it. Every state contain every state's having their own culture and festivals. India is the one of the best culture. Uh, India is the one of the best to tourist place also. And let's look for another country, that is France, with capital city Paris. As Paris is the one of the best place for tourism. It also come. Paris also has the one of the wonder, that is Eiffel Tower. Yes, Shivle, to further continue.
Thank you, Sachin, for the beautiful introduction of various countries. Now, I would like to go to the world's largest country, Russia. Russia, having capital Moscow, is the largest country in the world by area. Uh, as we all know that Russia is having good conditions with our country, India, and Russia is now breaking into many parts, small parts. That's it. And moving to the next country, UAE, that is United Arab Emirates, whose capital is Abu Dhabi. It is also popularly known as Dubai. It is an Arabian country which is known by its infrastructure, and it is one of the country which trades crude oil all around the world. Moving to the next slide. Uh, in next slide, I have two countries: Canada, whose capital is Ottawa, and United Kingdom, whose capital is London. Talking about Canada, Canada is famous for Niagara Falls, which is a boundary for USA and Canada. And talking about United Kingdom has a lot of history with our country, India, and it is also famous for its tourist attraction, the London Bridge, etc.
Now let's talk about Kuwait. Kuwait is in Western Asia and it is situated in the northern edge of Eastern Arabia, and its capital is Kuwait City. Kuwait's currency, which is dinar, has the highest value in the world now. And let's talk about Malaysia. Malaysia is famous for its beaches, rainforest, and means in Malaysia, all cultures are clubbed together like Chinese, European, Indian, etc. And its capital city is Kuala Lumpur. Let me introduce the next slide, please. Yeah. So keeping that countries aside, there are many other countries which is important and has helped in globalization process. Some of these countries are South Africa with the capital city Cape Town, France having capital Paris, Germany having capital Berlin, and many others.
Now we will move to our country, best country, India. India has 28 states and seven union territories, and it is also famous for its festivals, cultures, and religions. There are a lot of languages spoken here, and a lot of different cultures are mixed with each other.
So moving towards the largest state, these are five important states of India. So first we have Rajasthan, the largest state of India in terms of area, and the most famous Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan, and the capital city of Rajasthan is Jaipur, which is also known as the Pink City, and it evokes the royal family that once ruled the region. Now talking about Maharashtra, Maharashtra is the second most populous state in India, having a capital city Mumbai, which is also known as Bombay, most populous city. And Mumbai is the economic capital of India. And the city is also called as the home to Bollywood. The third state is Uttar Pradesh. It is the most populated state in India. Lucknow has, the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Lucknow has always been a multicultural city and the seat of power of Nawabs in the 18th and 19th century. And it is also famous for betel, that is pan. Talking about Goa, Goa is a state on the southern west coast of India. It is also famous for its beaches, and the capital city of Goa is Panaji. Now, last important state is Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in the southwestern region of India. It is the largest state in South India, and its capital city is Bangalore. It is known as the Silicon Valley of India, and it is also known for its pleasant climate throughout the year. Its elevation is the highest among the major cities of India. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Yash to further continue.
Thank you, Zia. As we know, India has a different states, amazing states and beautiful states. So going to the northeastern part, there are a group of seven states present, popularly known as Seven Sisters of India, which includes Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. The capitals of them are Itanagar, Dispur, Impal, Shillong, Aizawl, Kohima, Agartala, respectively. The nature amongst all northeastern states is amazing, as we all know, and Cherrapunji and Mausinram are those two places where most of rainfall is is happened all time. That's it for Seven Sisters.
So, as we all know that there are four, like north, south, east, and west. So, let's talk about some northern states. There are four states in northern side of India, which is Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Haryana, with capital cities Chandigarh, Shimla, Dehradun, and Chandigarh. And in southern state, we have Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and their capitals are Amravati, Tiruvananthapuram, Chennai, and Hyderabad, respectively.
Now moving to the eastern states, we have Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, and Sikkim, and their capitals are Patna, Ranchi, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, and Gangtok. Moving to the central states, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and their capitals are Gandhinagar, Bhopal, and Naya Raipur.
As we all know that India has 7 union territories, and we have tried to comprise them here. First, let's talk about first Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is situated in Bay of Bengal with capital city Blair. Andaman and Nicobar is the first union territory of India, and second union territory is Lakshadweep with capital city Kavarati. Here English and Malayalam is most preferable here. It is situated in south side of India, and our next union territory is Chandigarh with capital city Chandigarh itself. It is situated in northern side of India. Here Punjabi, Hindi, as well as English is preferable. Our next is in Delhi. As we all know about Delhi, Delhi is the union territory also, and it also represent whole India itself. Here, English, Hindi, and more other language also used here. It is in the north. It is located in the northern side of India. Our next union territory is Daman, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Dui with capital city Daman. Earlier, both the union territories, that is Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Dui, are both separated, but now they both are get combined together. Here, Gujarati, Hindi, as well as English is preferable. It is also located in northern side of India. And our last and our last union territory is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Here, with capital city Srinagar and Leh. Here, Urdu, English, and other more language are used here.
So thank you so much for watching our presentation. Hope that you all have liked this presentation.